In this Python tutorial, we will learn how to use the zip function. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. We will learn how to use the zip function by doing an example. First, I would like to briefly talk about the zip function. Lists are sent to the zip function. The function matches the members of the submitted list in order. Let's understand better how it works by giving an example. I created two lists, names and ages. I will send 3 data to the lists. I can do this using a for loop. The user will enter name and age information from the console in each cycle. The entered values will be saved in lists. After the loop completed, I created a variable. I sent both lists to the zip function. I can access the data in the zip variable using a for loop. Members of the two lists are synchronized with each other. Thanks to the zip function, we can synchronize different lists with each other. In this Python tutorial, we learned how to use the zip function. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.